Hello all. Everyone has a particular taste that they look for in Dal Makhani, and I'm hoping to do the unthinkable today and try and win everyone over with this simple recipe. So begin with adding half a cup of masoor dal, half a cup of urad dal and 1/4 cup of chana dal in a bowl. Wash a few times and then soak in enough hot water that there is an inch over for at least 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, once you are ready to cook, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter in the pressure cooker and add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Saute the spices for 2 minutes till you start smelling them. Then add 1 finely chopped onion and saute for about a minute till the onions become translucent. After a minute or so, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. Then add 2 to 3 green chillies along with 4 roughly blended tomatoes. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and cook the tomatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes till they become mushy. After 3 to 4 minutes, drain water from the lentils and add them to the cooker along with 4 cups of fresh water and cook for 8 to 10 whistles. If you don't have a pressure cooker, bring this to a boil and then reduce to a simmer. Cook for about 30 to 40 minutes or till the dal has thickened. Also make sure to stir occasionally because the dal tends to stick to the bottom. After 8 to 10 whistles, let pressure release naturally. Then open the lid and mash the lentils partially with the potato masher and simmer the dal for another 20 minutes till it thickens up. Finally add half a cup of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. And here your simple yet flavorful Dal Makhani is ready. Garnish with some fresh cream. Enjoy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.